Just go around here.
The man's got brown. You did it again, Swedish maker.
That's why starting a YouTube channel is actually videos.
I can't do that. I don't know how to be a YouTuber. I need a studio and cameras and... Doing new things is scary. Taking a chance, spending real money, putting yourself on the internet where anyone can watch. So yeah, why am I doing this to myself? Because anything worth doing is hard. And if it wasn't hard, I probably wouldn't care about it. Welcome to the first episode in a series about turning my woodworking shop into a YouTube studio. Not a fancy one, not a finished one, just one piece at a time. Because if I waited until everything was perfect, I'd never start. And that's been my story for way too long. Perfectionism, overthinking, it's cost me more than failure ever could. 4 years if we're being honest. Okay, enough feelings. Time to do what I actually know how to do. Drill holes and hope for the best. We'll just go, we'll start like around here. Hit those ones. Hit those ones. We'll just keep going this way. In my one-car garage of a workshop, floor space is sacred. So after I built the table saw workbench and knocked over the tripod more times than I can count, I realized I need to get the camera off the ground. I looked into proper studio ceiling rails, and good lord, they're expensive. Fortunately, I stumbled across some CNC rails that looked like they might do the trick. They weren't made to hang upside down or be mounted on the ceiling, and I wasn't totally sure the bearings would even roll that way. But my gut said go for it. Here they are. I spent all this time looking for ceiling joists behind the white panels, and in the end I realized that there's hardwood ceiling behind those panels. They took the 30mm spac screws, no anchors needed. Lucky me. Nice. Oh. Okay, look at this. Smooth as butter. Okay, 14, 7.
Gör det. Och min medverkan är inte så himla viktig. Vet du vad? Jag tror att den är viktig för att jag blev, och många med mig blev ju otroligt.
This is gonna... Why is a Forstner bit in a drill press so satisfying? Abnormally high heart rate detected. That's not good. I was so focused, a hedgehog wandered right past me and into the TV room. 1 hour and a broomstick later, he's finally out. Gotta be the cutest animal in all of Sweden. We're in business. Perfect. Oh, it just makes it to close this up. And now we're gonna try. I'm just gonna take the camera off, pop it right in the thing. Try it. Please don't fall and crash. But that's pretty darn good. The camera arm I'm using is a Manfrotto Articulating Arm. Adjusting it feels like trying to get pants on a toddler, but once you get it into position, it stays put. Highly recommend. You'll need a couple extra pieces to get it working the way I have it, so I'll put that info in the description if you're interested. This isn't just about rails on the ceiling, setting up a YouTube studio in my shop. It's about building something I've never built before. Not a table, not a jig, but a voice, a channel, a place where I can be real, about building things, figuring out fatherhood, and failing forward in both. I'm Lucky Leif. Until next time, stay lagom, and don't skip your fikas.
Oh, this is fun. You're on your way, Leif. Well done.